And now for great moments in GPS history.
Take a break, boys. You've definitely earned $1 with my face on it.
Yes, me lord.
Navigator, how far does the GPS say we are from shore?
General, it says it's at least half a mile.
Good. Standing like this in these boots are making my feet swell.
My feet have become frozen and numb because I can't afford to buy boots, General.
Well, when we get to land, we can use the GPS to find an ATM and boot shop. My treat. What do you say?
Yay.
And that's how we won the war. True story.